Curious about professional tissue paper manufacturers? Wondering what our 20,000 factory looks like? Let's join me on a virtual factory tour. With nearly 30 years of industry experience, Baoda Paper owns two brands, Life Days and Fenghui, and keeps sufficient stocks for wholesale orders. We can also provide OEM customization service for all kinds of tissue paper products. This giant is our core paper machine, which manufactures parent rolls for downstream tissue paper processing. After rewinding and slitting, these parent rolls go through post-processing to produce finished products. Baoda Paper has developed a diverse product matrix, including facial tissue, toilet paper, kitchen paper, hand paper towels, and jumbo rolls. For both household and commercial use, automated production lines guarantee production efficiency and quality consistency across all orders. If you are interested in our factory or have customization needs, please feel free to contact us today and schedule your on-site factory tour.